Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change the login pin on your Chromebook device. So the typical 6-digit pin that you use to log into your account in Chromebook can actually be changed later after you set up your account on the device. So here's how you can do it. So first you have to open the launcher menu, and after that go to settings. Now on the left side menu of the screen, you want to navigate to security and privacy, or privacy and security. It is actually a different name depending on what Chrome OS is, the Chrome OS version that you're using, but it's still the same thing. And after that, you want to navigate to lock screen and sign in. So this is the setting that we want to modify. And it's gonna be asking me to verify that I am the one that's actually want to access this setting. So I'm going to switch to pin because that's the only thing that I remember, and I'm going to insert my pin. And let's click enter. Okay, now we have the option to actually change the pin. So click this button, change pin, and then you can insert a different pin. So let's try let's click continue. Let's click continue again. And now the pin has changed. And if you want to test, you can click the clock icon, click sign out, and then you can log in with the new pin that you just changed for your account. So there you go. That's how you can change pin in your Chromebook device. I hope you find this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.